A satellite in a circular orbit, that is specially mentioned because it has a constant time period as long as the satellite will be in the same orbit. What is the orbital radius of the satellite if you increase its radius, and now the time period is 8t, 8 times of its old time period? Okay, now you have to find out, but here I would like to apply Kepler laws, because Kepler laws are basically applied for the planetary motion. We can also apply it for the satellite motion. So Kepler laws, and especially the Kepler's third law, which is a relation actually between the two things. The time period square is proportional to the orbital radius cube, and here we are representing the orbital radius by capital R, so I can say R cube. With the help of this we can make a fraction. Okay, and before that you have to write a constant, and let's say this constant is k r cube. But if you remember the actual equation for the Kepler third law, then it is basically gmt square is equals to 4 pi square r cube. So t square is equals to 4 pi square over capital G divided mass capital M r cube. So here I am actually calling this thing as a constant, so we will just write k. So anyways, we can say this is our first equation, and when you will increase the time from t to 8t, so we can make another equation. So 8t whole square is equals to constant will remain constant, and here we have r prime cube. So here we have another equation. So from here we can make a fraction, and the fraction will be, if you divide the 2 and 1, then you can get r prime cube divided by r cube is equals to 64 t square divided by t square. So we can cancel out, and r prime cube will be equals to 64 r cube, and you can take here the cube root or raised to power 1 over 3 on both sides, and we can also write 64 as a 4 cube r cube raised to power 1 over 3. So what we get, the new orbital radius should be equals to 4r when you will take cube root. So this is what we will get. So that is a 4r. It means that if we increase the orbital radius from r to 4r, then the time period will increase from capital T to 8